Let's get on to first alert weather. A lot of us going to be waking up in the middle of the night tonight, and meteorologist Jeff Ray knows exactly why.
Yeah, we've got some thunderstorms coming in associated with a cold front. Behind me, we've watched all day this tropical storm Helene get more organized and start to produce all the structure necessary to become a major hurricane, which is still about 36 hours away. But a major hurricane is forecast to hit the Florida Big Bend area on Thursday late, probably maybe in the early evening hours, the way it looks right now. Overnight storms here, by the way, tonight through the overnight into tomorrow morning's commute. We're setting up for some cooler weather as we're heading into the start of the Texas State Fair. So there's a lot of talk to you about tonight. Real quick, we see the severe weather going on in Oklahoma. That's associated with the cold front that is headed here. Now, we have the threat of some stronger thunderstorms. We do think there could be the threat of some wind. Maybe 60-mile-per-hour winds and large hail. The threat is actually pretty small. I know the radar or the futurecast here makes it look like it's much more than that, and it could be some punchy storms here in the middle of the night. Certainly will be a lot of lightning and a lot of thunder. As we get to 5:30, notice how quickly it slides off into the southeast, and that will be the story through the morning commute, that this stuff is clearing out. And the cloud cover, it will be gone by late morning. Then we have a day of mostly sunny skies across the afternoon, temperatures in the 80s, a little bit of a breeze, and the dew points will have dropped down into the low 50s, so some dry air coming in. The next 3 days, that 40% chance of rain is all in the early morning hours. Thursday is dry, Friday is dry, and that's Friday for the State Fair. Looks nice at 82 degrees. Like I said, low humidity. It will be a little windy because of this. This is a Category 1 hurricane tomorrow, Helene, and then by the time we get into across the day on Thursday, it goes from a Category 1 to a Category 3, and a strong one at that, coming on shore somewhere in the Big Bend. Some of the newest forecast modeling has been coming here just in the last 30 minutes, showing some frightening numbers here. You see Cedar Key, the forecast modeling showing almost 100-mile-per-hour winds as it comes on shore. Look at this. As it comes on shore, you see winds over 100 miles an hour. And look at Lake City, 60 miles inland, over 100-mile-per-hour winds with this storm. All this powerful wind is going to push a big wave of water up on shore. They have storm surges. Forecast that could get up to 10 to 15 feet. Imagine that, a story of water coming off the ocean and coming onto shore there with those winds. This could be a big storm. By the way, it gets wrapped up by this big low, and this thing turns out to give us cool weather as we get across most of the weekend. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. State Fair starts at 82 and windy. On Saturday, 84, upper 80s to mid 80s for the rest of the time, and dry. Stay with us. We'll be right back.